Hello friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today I will show you compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism in C#. So let's start with compile time polymorphism. By polymorphism, we mean that same function will behave differently based upon the argument passed. So let's understand this. I have a namespace called polymorphism and a class called polymorphism, which will have two methods of same name, add. So two method names are same. The argument is different. This method will accept some parameters, so it will be of type integer, and this method will accept the parameter of type strings. When the type integer is passed as argument, then it will add the numbers and show the addition in the results. And when some string is passed to this function or this method, then the string will be concatenated. So let's see how it works. So I have written a main method for this, and polymorphism object is declared here. It is a object obj. So when we use this object to call add method and pass argument as integer, 10 and 20 being integer, so this method will be called. This add will not be called, only this add will be called, which is highlighted. So when 10 and 20 goes here, so num3 will have the value 10 plus 20, which is 30, and it will print addition of result of two numbers colon 30. It should print that. And in the second case, with the same object, obj is same here, and I am calling the same method add, but I passed the parameter as string, which is first name and last name. So now what will happen? Now the second add method will be called. It will ignore this one because it is accepting the type string in this method. It will accept the string in this method. Okay, so when we will run this code, this method will be called and the first name and last name will be concatenated. So let's run and see this. Build solution, then run it. Let's see the results and match it with the program. So when object 10 and 20 was called, now when the object was called with, when object is calling add method, when object is calling add method with argument as 10 and 20, so this one was called. Okay, so the number printed is 30. In the second case, first name and last name is concatenated. So this shows that what we wrote is correct and it is showing the right result. So hope you understand it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.